Hi friends, welcome to EDX Window YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about the topic is problems in problems in game playing within artificial intelligence. Okay, game playing is a very popular area of research in artificial intelligence. Why it was popular? Due to the well-defined rules. Okay, clear objectives means goals and the challenging nature of the decision making under uncertainty. Okay, in unknown environments also we have to take decision. It is a challenging task for AI. Okay, despite all of these appealing characters, the game playing presents several fundamental problems. Okay, that make it complex task for AI. Okay, I will outline some of the key challenges in this domain. Okay, state space complexity. In this state space complexity, we are having number set of all possible states. All possible states means I will give you the example. If you are taking the one is the initial state and another one is goal state. Okay, from the initial state, how many ways are there to reach the goal state? Okay, to reach the goal state, that many possibilities are there for a state space. Okay, state space nothing but possible states, set of all possible states, nothing but all the ways, how many ways we are reaching the goal. Okay, for example, in chess we are taking the 10 power 40 possible states are there. Okay, but 10 power 40 means it will be an very huge number, right? For a go game it will be having the 10 power 170. Okay, positions are there. In this we are challenging is memory constraint, one of the thing, and computational time is the another thing. Okay, for these challenges we are having already solution. These proning techniques, first one and second one is heuristic value, and third one is Monte Carlo tree search. Okay, these are the solutions. Second one, partial observability. Okay, in this partial observability means, for example, we are taking the PUBG game. Okay, starting state we know the environment. Okay, later on we are going to other states. Okay, levels also we don't know the environment. Okay, means observability is very less, because which the enemy will opponent or enemy or opponent will from which side to shoot, we don't know, right? So that's why we are having the partial observability. Okay, this is also one of the challenge. Okay, in this example poker is the best example for the partial observability. Okay, in this we are challenging, we are having the uncertainty and beef state management. Okay, for these solutions we are having the Bayesian reasoning. Okay, monthly Carlo methods and reinforcement learning. Okay, these are the solutions. And for an adversarial nature means we are having multiple players. Okay, with opponents means one person will be the opponent for the another person. Okay, if you are taking the game players, two members means one player is opponent to another player. Okay, like that. In that we are having the challenges is opponent modeling. Okay, min-max optimization and non-stationary environment. Okay, for these solutions are min-max algorithm, alpha beta proning, Nash equilibrium. Okay, these are the solutions. Okay, for next one, real time decision making. Okay, in this real time decision making we are having the time limit, right? Yeah, for every person we are having the time limit. Okay, like that. The real time decision making, we are go this way, or we can take this decision within this time. Okay, yes or no, like that. Okay, for particular time you have to take the decision. Okay, in this challenges is time constraint and simultaneous moves. Okay, next, these solutions are heuristic based approaches. Okay, such depth limitation also this solution. And Mothlo Carlo research is the another. Okay, with the time management is the one of the solution for that. Okay, next one, learning in dynamic environments means according to different games, different strategies are there. Okay, different environments are there. We have to overcome all the challenges. Okay, what is the challenges in this learning in dynamic environments? First one is adaptation and second one is exploration and exploitation. Okay, exploration means it will learn new strategies. Okay, it's no, it will tells about, and exploitation means it will be gives us good strategies. Okay, in this, for these problems we are having the solutions are reinforcement learning. Okay, reinforcement learning is the solution, and multi-agent system is also one of the solution. Handling statisticity. Okay, statisticity means we are taking the random moves. Okay, means we are taking the dice. Okay, ludo is the game. In that, dice will be rolled simultaneously, different ways randomly. Means one time it will be got the 6 and another time it will be may got the 4, like that. Okay, in this challenges, uncertainty in outcomes. Okay, that is the one challenge, and strategy under uncertainty is the another challenge. Okay, next, solutions for this. Okay, solution for this, handling statisticity. Okay, in this, solutions are expectation maximization, and Monte Carlo simultaneation, and statistic planning. Okay, these are the solutions for the handling statisticity. Okay, next one, computational resource management. Okay, in this computational resource management we are see about the CPU and memory. Okay, in these challenges are having the resource allocation is the one of the challenge, and scalability is the another challenge. Okay, for this one we are maintaining parallel computing. Okay, and resource bounded reasoning. Okay, and next one, efficient algorithms. Okay, these are the solutions for this computational resource management. Okay, next one is generalization to new games. Means generalization is, already we know that, in different programming languages, vehicle is one of the example for the generalization. If vehicle means they divided into so many so many parts. One is, vehicle may be a bus, vehicle may be a car, vehicle may be a lorry, etc. Okay, in that we are having different games are designed according to that. Okay, in this challenge is game challenge, specific strategies and transfer learning. Okay, these are the challenges. For these, solutions are, meta learning one of the solution, and transfer learning is the second solution. General AI framework is the third solution for these solutions. Okay, for this generalization to new games. Okay, ethical and fair play considerations. In this ethical and fair play considerations, we are having any competitive games means we have to do like play very fairly. Okay, not like cheating. Okay, we have to play the game perfectly using the rules, all the rules maintain. Okay, in these challenges are fairness, and one challenge, and transparency is the second challenge, and cheating detection is the third challenge. Okay, these challenges we have to overcome with these solutions. Okay, ethical guidelines is the one solution, explainability is the another solution, regularity framework is the third solution for this ethical and fair play considerations. And these are the some of the game playing problems in game in artificial intelligence. Okay, thank you very much.